Now, they look sweet, don't they? But they must have been terrifying to meet. Yeah. It's a woolly mammoth, rather. They died out thousands of years ago. Now, amateur fossil hunters, I don't want to get too close, discovered a graveyard for the prehistoric animals near Cirencester by chance 7 years ago. But now a second search is underway and already more ancient bones have been found. Here's our Wiltshire reporter, Will Glennon.
Water drained out, this former quarry is once again sharing its secrets from 250,000 years ago and beyond too. Careful digging has revealed all kinds of fossils.
It's a steppe bison skull, or a partial steppe bison skull. It's upside down, so you can see that we've got the bottom of the skull. This is where it would have attached to the spinal cord. And then you've got this lovely preserved horn core to the side here. It would have had another horn that would have gone in that direction, but we didn't get that part.
Absolutely blown away by what's been happening here. This is an amazing site. We have found far more than we ever expected, and that has really added more pieces to the jigsaw of the history of this site. We've got 2 mammoth tusks, of which we've got the large one here and we've got a smaller one here. So these mammoths were living up in the Thames Valley, in the Cotswolds at that time, in huge herds.
Nearly 200 people have helped here, experts, volunteers and students from universities across the country, many camping at the dig.
We've got representation from 19, possibly 20 different universities. So the experience the students will gain from this unique opportunity is that not only is it in the field work, but then also the excavation process. So getting involved in excavation, and then we move it all up to the conservation zone, where they can also help with the preparation and conservation of all the material.
It's indescribable how incredible of an opportunity it is. I mean, you don't get anything else like this anywhere else in the UK or almost the world. So to get to be a part of this early on in my career, it's invaluable, it's incredible.
A jumble of everything there, and such a unique site that it's mind-boggling to see, like, Jurassic ammonites and Ice Age mammoths being found like almost next to each other.
This is the site that keeps on giving. It's just we've been so lucky here. You speak to some of the experts and they say there isn't a site like this in the country. They don't believe there ever has been a site like it in the country, just because you've got such a mix of animals in one place from all various ages of time gone by. So it's terrifically exciting, yeah.
Now here they found the tooth from a mammoth. It's around 220,000 years old, and they're going to let me help them lift it. Here we go. The finds are cleaned and catalogued, preserved and analysed. Eventually they'll go on display in museums. When the dig finishes next week, the quarry will go back to being a lake. The mammoth graveyard's secrets hidden again. Until maybe next time. Will Glennon, BBC Points West, near South Cerney.
Gosh, isn't that amazing? You can't imagine mammoths in Swindon, can you? Wonder what they'd make of the shopping centre. We move on, and after yesterday's gold for our West Country eventing team at the Olympics, it's the turn of 3 of our swimmers to try to bring home the big prize tonight.